All right. See what we got here. A little pickup from Nike ID. Got them Kobe 9 Elite Lows. Got that gold in there with them gold speckles. This material on these things just, oh man, that makes it look nice. Got that gold Kobe signature with the logo. Oh man, that gold really stands out. That carbon fiber. Gold. Got dreams in gold. Nike ID did pretty good with this one. I love them. Just want to show y'all a quick look of what I picked up from Nike ID. Holla.